Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look using the new Wet n Wild Alice in Wonderland collection. This limited edition collection features over 20 unique products inspired by the original Disney film from 1951. The PR box, which is available for sale on the Wet n Wild website, features 12 of those products for $85. You can shop the collection at wetnwildbeauty.com, Walmart, Ulta, Walgreens, CVS, and Amazon. Now that we've unboxed it, let's create a Alice in Wonderland inspired look using some of the products. First, let's open up the Mad Tea Party 4-piece makeup brush set. This retails for $17.99 and features feathery, soft, vegan bristles. We'll be using all of these brushes soon, but for now, let's take a look at the Tea Anyone bronzer palette. This 4-in-1 bronzer palette retails for $9.99. Here's each of the shades swatched individually and what they look like when mixed. I'm mixing all of the shades and using the Mad Hatter brush to apply it. I really like the idea of this palette. It gives the option to wear each shade alone or mix and match for a sun-kissed glow. Wet n Wild replicated the 4-in-1 palette for blush and highlighter. This is the Talk to the Flowers blush palette. Once again, I've swatched each of the shades and I'm mixing them all up with the Alice brush. This brush is super fluffy, making it great for powder and blush. All of the blush shades are very glowy and luminous, and 2 of them have quite a bit of shimmer. For highlighter, we have the Curiouser and Curiouser highlighter palette. I've swatched each shade, and when mixed, they give such a beautiful iridescent look. A little goes a long way, and it gives the skin an intense glow. Up next, we have the Alice in Wonderland Eye and Face palette. This 15-pan palette retails for $17.99. Let's swatch it. On the top row, we have shades I'm Late, Drink Me, Cheshire, Merry Unbirthday, and Mary Ann. The middle row contains shades Not All There, Delightful Child, Best Butter, Always Curious, and Tea Anyone. On the last row, we have shades Hungry Walrus, Bonkers, Dinah, In Command, and Rabbit Hole. I'm using the March hair brush to dip into the buttery soft matte pink shade called Not All There. I'm applying this to the front of the crease. Now I'm switching brushes to the Dormouse and taking that same pink color and applying this to the inner half of my bottom lash line. I cleaned both of the brushes and am doing the same thing on the other half of my eye using the matte blue shade called Delightful Child. Now that I've cut the crease, I'm applying alternating colors in the outer and inner parts of the cutout area so that the pink will be below the blue and the blue will be below the pink. Now I'm picking up the shimmer shade called Drink Me and applying this to the center of the lid. This is such a gorgeous duochrome shade with pink and blue reflex. The next product we have to try is the Silly Nonsense Liquid Eyeliner. This is a silver glitter, whereas the other shade, Out of Time, is a pink glitter color, both of which are $7.99. I'm adding this to the edge of my cut crease. The flexible brush tip made it really easy to apply, but since it's a semi-sheer formula, I did have to go over it a few times to make it more noticeable. After that, we're testing out the Can You Imagine Glitter Mascara. This is a really fun product. The easy-to-apply gel formula delivers a glittering holographic effect to your lashes. I tried to apply it alone, but it didn't show up to my liking, so then I applied it on top of a coat of regular mascara, and that did the trick. Finally, I'm using the We Sing 2 lip gloss. The entire collection features 3 lip glosses, 2 lipsticks, and 2 liquid lipstick shades, all of which are priced the same at $7.99. Unfortunately, I'm not the biggest fan of this lip gloss formula. It's not the greatest consistency, and it's not as opaque as I'd like it to be. What another fun and creative collection from Wet n Wild. I'm looking forward to seeing what they come up with next. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!